Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals long division. Division of decimals using the long division method is similar to the method we use for division of whole numbers. We make sure the digits and decimal points are perfectly aligned. So let's look at the first example. 5 divided into 63.5. 5 into 6 goes once. 1 times 5 is 5. When we do the subtraction, we get 1. Bring down the 3. 5 into 13 goes twice. 2 5s are 10. Do the subtraction to get 3. Bring down the 5. 5 into 35 goes 7. 7 5s are 35. Do the subtraction to get 0. So that's the end. And the answer is 12.7. So you can see the process is exactly the same as long division using whole numbers. You still put the digits in the correct columns, but with this decimal points, these decimal points here, just make sure they are perfectly aligned. That's the only difference. We're introducing a decimal point, make sure they're lined up perfectly. Everything else is the same. Next one. 7 divided into 89.74. 7 into 8 goes once. 1 times 7 is 7. You do the subtraction to get 1. Bring down the 9. 7 into 19 goes twice. 2 7s are 14. Do the subtraction to get 5. Bring down the 7. 7 into 57 goes 8. 8 7s are 56. You do the subtraction to get 1 left over. Bring down the 4. 7 into 14 goes twice. Twice 7 are 14. Do the subtraction, you get 0. And there's the answer, 12.82. Again, exactly the same as division using whole numbers. We just introduce the decimal point. Make sure they're under each other. Share $212.85 between 9 people. So 9 into $212.85. 9 into 21 goes 2. 2 9s are 18. You do the subtraction to get 3. Bring down the 2. 9 into 32 goes 3. 3 9s are 27. You do the subtraction to get 5. Bring down the 8. 9 into 58 goes 6. 6 9s are 54. You do the subtraction to get 4. Bring down the 5. 9 into 45 goes 5. 5 9s are 45. Do the subtraction to get 0. Yet again, the same procedure that we use for whole numbers, we just have the decimal point. So the answer is $23.65, but if we had the dollar sign in front, we don't need to use that word. Finally, divide 295.52 metres into 8 equal parts. So we're dividing 8 into 295.52. 8 into 29 goes 3. 3 8s are 24. Do the subtraction to get 5. Bring down the 5. 8 into 55 goes 6. 6 8s are 48. You do the subtraction to get 7. Bring down the 5. 8 into 75 goes 9 times. 9 8s are 72. You do the subtraction to get 3. Bring down the 2. 8 into 32 goes 4. 4 8s are 32. You do the subtraction to get 0. So the answer is 36.94 metres. So this video has shown us how to do long division involving decimals. The procedure is exactly the same as doing long division with whole numbers. All we do is make sure we put the decimal points under each other and everything else is the same.